So in this Turbo C 1.4 Windows 7, so this is the Turbo assembler we are going to download here, and then we have to install here. Okay, and after installation, we are going to start this TASM 1.4 Windows 7. Okay, so this is the 64-bit by TechApple.net. Okay, so this is the uh, Turbo C assembler. And now we are going to start with the Turbo C assembler, and then we have to start our first practicals. Okay. So I'm visible to all of you. The screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
so whatsoever the practical we have performed in our C programming language, the Turbo C compiler we are using. Okay. But in the assembly program language, we are using the Turbo assembler. Okay. So Turbo assembler. So these are the some commands we are going to use here for edit purpose. To open the editor, we can use this edit command. Okay, so in this editor we are going to write down the program. Okay, so already I have written one program in the editor, so I have to open this one file, the add.to asm file. Okay, whenever we are going to write the any program, at that time we must have to store our file with file name dot asm. Okay, file name dot asm, and this file name dot asm will help you to execute the programs. Okay, so now I am going to open this add to dot asm file and open it. Okay, so after this file I just written this code, and this code will be executed. Okay, so these are the code I have just written here. All this code link and the assembler link I will provide in the classroom section. Okay, so you must have to download it and then install it. Okay, so after writing this code, I am just exit from this editor. Okay, after exit of this editor, I will just show the process of this execution. Okay, just note down this process for after the editing the program. Okay, so first command is a tasm, 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 and then file name add to dot asm. Okay, so this is the file name. Just like as in our C compiler, in the C compilation we are going to compile and run the file. Okay, tasm add to dot asm, then enter it. Okay, it will show the error message none, warning message none, passes 1, and remaining memory is 740 uh, 475 kilo. Okay, so these are the directives we are given from the TASM. Then the next command, just note down the command. These are the three steps we have to follow. First is an edit. After edition of the program, we are going to compile it. After the compilation process, we'll get as an object file. ASM file will be just make as an object file, and after object file, we are going to convert it to the exe file. Okay. Now we are going to link our object file. T-link add to dot obj. Okay, so after given the tasm add to dot asm command, we will get as an add to dot obj file. Okay, then we are going to link here t-link add to dot obj, and then press enter. Okay, so here again warning is no stack, means our program is executed. Now we have to just simply write down the command as an our executable file. Just write down the name of the file name add to dot exe. Okay, after the t-link command, the exe will be generated. Okay, so add to dot exe, which will be executed. So after the given this command, we'll get as a message enter first number. We have to just enter the any first number. I just have to press the 110 number as in first number, second number as in 20. So addition is 30. Okay, so likewise we are going to again give the command add dot to exe. Again it will generate the message add enter first number. I just enter the number as an 40, then second number I enter as an 30. So the output will be the addition is 70. Okay, likewise I have just modify the program and perform the addition of two numbers. Okay, now we have to perform the multiplication of this two number. Okay, so after just completion of this program, we are going to again exit from this editor. Okay, TASM is an editor, so assembler, we are going to exit here. Okay, so after execution of this program, we are going to return from this executor. Okay, so these are the some sample processes we are just seen here. So now we will just have to provide you all are the programming. So these are the processes I just given to you. Okay, and now you have to perform with the help of the your, first of all you have to install the TASM turbo assembler, and then you have to perform the each and every practicals. Okay, so experiment number 1, experiment 2, experiment number 3, experiment number 4. Likewise, we have to perform the all experiments. Okay, so today we will stop here.